Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will make a 4-bit decade up counter using the CD74HC73 dual negative edge triggered JK flip-flop IC. This is the circuit diagram of the 4-bit decade up counter using the CD74HC73 dual negative edge triggered JK flip-flop IC. In this circuit, you can see that the clock inputs of all the JK flip-flops of both CD74HC73 ICs are connected to a push switch with a 10 kilo ohm pull-up resistor. We need to use the pull-up method on the clock inputs of the CD74HC73 JK flip-flop IC because it is a negative edge triggered JK flip-flop IC. You can also see that we are using two logic gate ICs. The first is the MC74F08 AND gate IC and the second is the 74SC32L OR gate IC. All the outputs QA, QB, QC and QD of the decade counter are connected to the inputs A, B, C and D of the SN74LS47 and BCD to 7 segment decoder. All the segments of a common anode 7 segment display are connected to the corresponding outputs of the SN74LS47 and decoder IC through 220 ohm resistors. Now you can see when I am pressing the push switch, then the decimal number on the 7 segment display are increases.